Looking for quick ways to make money while managing your kids? Whether you're a stay-at-home parent or just someone looking for a side hustle, we've got you covered. In today's fast-paced world, finding flexible ways to earn extra income can be a game changer. This video will outline 10 quick methods that can help you turn your free time into cash. From freelance writing to online surveys, these strategies are designed to fit into your busy schedule. Stay tuned as we dive into these 10 quick ways to make money while also managing your kids. First up, consider freelance writing. This method presents a fantastic opportunity to earn income on your own terms. You can choose when and where to work, making it highly adaptable to your routine. So, if you have a knack for words, freelance writing could be your ticket to making quick money. Next, let's talk about online tutoring. With the rise of digital education, there's a growing demand for online tutors. If you have a strong academic background, this could be your chance to earn while sharing your expertise. Online tutoring can be a great way to share your knowledge and make money at the same time. Our third method involves selling handmade goods. In this era, the demand for unique, custom-made items is soaring. Platforms like Etsy provide an easy way to showcase and sell your creations. If you're crafty, selling handmade goods could be a profitable venture. Fourth on our list is offering childcare services. This is a great way to monetize your parenting skills by providing childcare services to other parents in your community. With childcare services, you can make money while doing what you do best, taking care of kids. Now, let's quickly go through methods 5 to 8. First up, we have working as a virtual assistant. It's quite a versatile role, allowing you to provide administrative, creative, or technical services for businesses. No commute, no office politics, just you and your computer. Next, consider pet sitting. People need dependable folks to look after their furry friends. It's a great way to make money, especially if you're an animal lover. Then, there's blogging. Yes, blogging can still be a lucrative venture. You can make money through advertising, sponsored posts, or selling products or services. It's all about finding your niche and connecting with your audience. Lastly, if you have extra space at home, why not rent it out? You might have a spare room, a garage, or even a backyard that could be generating income. From being a virtual assistant to renting out extra space, there are many ways to earn a quick buck. Finally, let's look at our last two methods. Participating in online surveys is a simple way to earn a few extra dollars. Companies are always seeking consumer input and are willing to pay for your time and opinions. All you need is an internet connection and a little spare time. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your blog or social media platforms and earning a commission for each purchase made through your unique link. It might take a bit of time to set up, but once you're rolling, it can be a steady source of income. Whether it's filling out surveys or promoting products, the internet offers plenty of opportunities for quick money. So there you have it, 10 quick ways to make money while managing your kids. Let's do a quick recap. We've talked about freelance writing, where you can put your creative skills to work. We've also touched on online tutoring, a great way to share your knowledge with others. Don't forget about selling handmade goods, a profitable way to express your creativity. We also discussed offering childcare services, a natural extension of your parenting skills. Not to mention, working as a virtual assistant, pet sitting, blogging, and renting out extra space can all be great sources of additional income. And lastly, participating in online surveys and affiliate marketing can provide a steady income stream. The key is to explore these opportunities and find what works best for you. It's all about finding a balance between managing your kids and generating income. Remember, with a bit of creativity and determination, you can manage your kids and make money from the comfort of your home. Good luck!